motorcycle was moving so fast. I was alone when I was driving past my bicycle that I left in the dirt. The chain fell off and now it will not work. Are you slowing down? Are you moving too fast? Are you feeling down? Will you finish last? How long do you think it will go before it empties and you're left in the snow? And that snow is now preceding the fall. Operator, would you connect the call? Am I coming through when I'm talking to you? Should I quiet down? Am I making a sound? Are you slowing down? Are you moving too fast? Are you feeling down? Will you finish last? Are you slowing down? Are you moving too fast?